Punjabi Heritage Foundation proudly presents their third honorary presentation to Mr. Daljit Nirman for his caring and sharing qualities, concerns for humankind, his warmth, leadership, and community involvement. He's always been at the forefront across the community for his services. So now we have a brief presentation on Mr. Daljit Nirman.
I inherited social activism from my father. When I immigrated to Canada and became lawyer, it was always in the back of my mind that how I can help the new immigrants to integrate into the multiculturalism fabric of this great country. And I am glad to say that by and large, I have been working day in and day out into that area, into that outreaching various communities, and I have been doing for the past 10 years and hopefully will continue to do until I breath the last. Thank you.
So, I'm going to request Dr. Deepak Manmohan Singh from Punjabi University, Patiala, India, to honor Mr. Daljit Nirman.
Namaste ji, Sat Sri Akal. To the Board of Punjabi Heritage of Canada, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am extremely humbled to accept this great honor which has been conferred to me today. I inherited this social activism, can you speak into the mic, from my father, and I will also say my grandfather, who was a freedom fighter before India became independent. I will now try to be even working more with the more zeal to come up to your expectations in the days to come. I once again thank you all, and thanks again for all this honor.